Hello everyone, this is Monica from Unique Designs by Monica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own SVG breakfast on Cricut Design Space using basic shapes. So let's get started. Let me get rid of all of these, and let's start with our polygon tool. We're going to be making ourselves some delicious toast. And I'm going to grab myself a circle and then duplicate it. But before I duplicate, let me just, these two ends need to meet up. This end right here and that end right there. That's still too big. Almost there. All right, do the same thing for the other side. Just have it meet up. And if you want to make sure that these are even, we're going to go to our line tool and go center horizontally. Ooh, I did the wrong one. I make mistakes too. And then we go central vertically. There we go. As you can see, one side is not on the other. There we go. We're going to weld. Okay, kind of looks like a corset, which you could make a corset using the same method. I'm going to make this brown, and I'm going to make this one white. And all I'm going to do is overlap these. And there we go. We got ourselves our toast. But we cannot have toast without any butter. So I'm just going to get myself a square, tilt it just a little bit, like that, and then make it smaller. And depending on what part of the country you are, what color your butter is, ours here in the state is yellow, but I know I've seen it orange. I've also seen it slightly red. So there you go. And next we're going to need some eggs, or at least an, sunny side up. So I'm going to leave that circle there. And all I'm going to do is just copy and paste circles at random. Just like that. Now select everything. Whoa, maybe not the one on the bottom. Select everything and weld. Then all we're going to do is cut them, color them white. And again, depending on what part of the country, I've seen red eggs, I've seen yellow eggs. So let me put this to the front. So you could do a nice bright yellow egg or a nice little orange or red one. And for this tutorial, let's just leave it red. And there's our fried egg. We need some juice with this breakfast. So we're going to get our polygon tool again. And all I'm going to do is just take it off the lock and size it to the size I want. Next, I'm going to grab the square tool and I'm going to just stretch it out from point to point. And then select everything and slice. Oop, I didn't slice it. There we go. We're left with this beautiful shape. But considering that my breakfast seems a little too big, let me just make this a tiny bit smaller. And my juice a bit bigger. It is a big, glass of orange juice after all. Okay, let's do the back white and the inside orange juice. Now, excuse me, if you're like me, you like pulp in your orange juice. And by doing so, you just grab a couple of circles. That's pretty big pulp. Let me make that a little bit smaller. And then I'm just going to put these randomly. Now, as you can see over here on my right hand side, there's a lot of individual circles. In order to nullify that and put it all on one mat, you select all of those little circles and you click weld. This all puts it on one mat. And since my pulp is not black, I'm gonna put it slightly orange. There we go. There's my pulpy orange juice. What else did I have? Oh, I had sausage. I would make bacon, but unfortunately I don't have any wavy tools or any wavy shapes over here. But I do see a square and a circle. So I could easily make some sausage. So let's make these little links. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to try to have my circle meet from side to side. I don't want it to be leaving any kind of gap because I can't fix that. So what I'm going to do is weld and then duplicate this. And all I'm going to do, so I don't have to fussy with the bottom, is I'm going to just turn this upside down. Okay. Just to make sure I have it all centered, I'm going to go horizontally and vertically. Oh, no, not vertically. And then I'm going to weld. There we go. There's one sausage link. And then normally I have it with two. Now, depending on the color of your sausage links, they could be dark brown, they could be red, orange. I think I like mine to be dark brown. Now, tilt them just ever so slightly. And then I'm going to grab myself my square. And then I'm just going to make a nice little tiny rectangle. And if you are like me, we have a little griddle that we can actually make our little sausage link lines. Delicious. Here you go. There you go. And there you have yourself a nice, delicious breakfast. Thank you so much for stopping on by, for witnessing how to make your own your own SVGs in Cricut Design Space using basic shapes. If you like what you see, hit that like button. It really helps me out. Not only that, if you click subscribe, I post a new video every Saturday and Wednesday. So if you don't want to miss out, click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, there's a little bell on the side. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye.